Hello and welcome to an extra little video about how to edit the language file in NuclearCraft. Here I'm just in the language file for a little resource pack. It literally all it has is just the language file. Obviously you can add your own texture packs if you want and stuff, but this is specifically about how to edit the language file if you're making a resource pack, or if you're making a language file for a different language, for example, or if you're making a mod pack and you want to change up some of the descriptions. I just want to go through basically how you do that. It should be pretty simple, but I thought I'd make a video about it just to make it clear. So basically, the way it works is that underneath all of the blocks, if it has a description, it will have this .desc instead of .name. So if you just want to add a description to the block or item, then just replace the .name with .desc and then just write the description underneath it. So that's pretty simple. That's true for both the items and the blocks. If you want to add some information to all of a certain type of item or block, what I mean by that is, say for example, let me just find the find an example here. So if I've got all of the isotopes of plutonium here, so you can see here that I've got item.plutonium and then all of the different types of plutonium, all the different isotopes. If I want to just add a description, a general description to all of the plutonium isotopes, then instead I just get rid of the type of plutonium it is totally, and then instead I just put item.plutonium.desc. So it's exactly the same as for a normal item, but instead I just put the description .desc, and then I just put an isotope of plutonium, and that means that for all of the plutonium isotopes I'll get that description. If I want to just have a very specific description for a particular type of metadata item, I'll just give an example here, such as, so for example, dust.beryllium. So you can see here this is a dust metadata item, but since I only want the data to be on the beryllium, I keep the beryllium name and put just .desc at the end as you'd expect. And I just say alongside coal, you get it. The final thing is that if you want to still do it line by line, you still want to do it custom line by line, as I think I do for the disks, you can see here. If you want to do it line by line, then what you have to do is put des and then the number of the line, start with 0 and then move down. Because it searches from 0 and then moves. So for example here for this music disc, I say Skido is the end of the world, and then 8-bit cover. Des 0 is the first line, Des 1 is the second line, etc, etc. And then it will, you can customize the lines separately. If you just wanted to do it automatically, then just put .desc and do the whole description in one line. I think that's pretty much everything I need to say about this. Hopefully that's clear. Any questions in the comments? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next update video.